Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, May the 10th, 2024. In this week's video, I'm going to play a clip from Darko's pre-market analysis video for you, just from this past Monday, where he talked about the situation with the British pound Australia dollar pair. He provided a level for everyone. Okay, he said, watch this level for the possibility of a long trade. Okay, and what we do is we look for patterns at these levels. Well, guess what set up? It was his favorite pattern, the swing break rotation. Okay, so you're going to see Darko set it all up in his video, then I'll cover the aftermath. I know I've shown a lot of these pattern setups a lot lately, and the reason is because I want you to see the high reliability of this pattern, because once you have belief, you'll have no problem taking the trade. You'll win, lose, or draw. You'll trust that this is a very high odds pattern. The beauty is, while you're learning, Darko does all the heavy lifting for you in his PMA videos. He points out all of these setups in advance. Alrighty, so I hope you liked the video, and if so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. We greatly appreciate that. And yeah, so here's Darko to give you the price action reading well before this trade happened, and then I'll come on afterwards and show the results.
Pound Aussie is at support. So now, and this is a great level, okay? All these testers, this is a significant level. This high is higher than this high. We also made a higher close. This is definitely a, it's a correction within the bigger, geez, let me just grab my pen for you. This is the APB, okay? We came down, did a complex pullback. We are still within this range, okay? So overall, we are just ranging. Then we did this, a higher close, still within this bigger range, and now we are correcting into a level of support within this bigger range. This is more like pure price action trading, or naked trading, or support and resistance trading, rather than continuation correction trading. I wouldn't call this a correction trading. This is more support and resistance trading. Okay, we are at support. Look for a long opportunity. I just don't see anything as I'm speaking. Okay, obviously the market is closed, but I don't see anything pending. So this should be on your radar. And here's what I mean by like having a great level and you're fired up to look for a long opportunity. If the monthly chart is doing this, I don't care what you do, this will end up losing. Okay. And there are some contradicting signals. The monthly is up. The yearly candle action is more bearish than neutral. Okay, so therefore there are times where the market is not giving you clean and clear, at least not the way I see it. And maybe you see something super clear, but I don't see it, because this yearly candle could be generating in this lower high and dropping. Okay, and look at these yearly candles, been going nowhere since, well, forever. This has been like ranging. So to draw some lines for you, just to see, this is heading up and this is heading down, and the range is just getting tighter and tighter. We're getting nowhere, and that's the yearly chart. So what do you expect from the monthly? Just like there are lots of great trades within these ranges. Right now it's just, yeah, let's just look for a long opportunity in here and using hands-on if that presents itself properly.
Okay, so let's cover what happened here. And this is the level that he showed. You see this level? It's actually, this is a monthly chart. This is a weekly chart. Let me just show you on a weekly chart. This level here, resistance and support. Darko had it. If you go back and listen to his part of it, you'll see that that's the level he had pointed out. If we go to the daily chart, yeah, look at this. A lot of support in here. It cut through it and back up again. We never know what's going to happen when it comes back. Will it support? Will it not? Price will tell you. We don't try to guess. We just leave it alone, okay? So, and then on the 4-hour chart, let's go back down to this one. Make that a 4-hour chart. So when it hit this level, you can see the price action in here. This is really, really good price action for, this is a swing break rotation. I'm going to show you on an hourly chart because it shows up better. And we can do that because we're at a daily level. So that fits with our time frame combination. So what a great swing break rotation this was. And the reason it is because when price came down, it rallied, it dropped and closed below here. Then it rallied hard and closed above all of this. So there's our rotation. And then we buy the pullback. There was a lot of time to get into this trade. I actually let our members know about it in the scalp room because it's a day trade. So we talked about that here. And Darko was very clear that this needs to be a hands-on trade. Okay, in other words, don't get cute with it. Take profit and or reduce risk at logical levels. On this hourly chart, this high right here is what you call a logical level. Here, let me just put a line right there. Like that, you'll see what I mean. I mean, you know, when price retest it and you're trading hands-on, it means like do something. This is a good level right here to take some profit and or get the risk out of this trade. It's about a 1-to-1 reward risk after that. And so that's a really good place to take some profit. And now we'll see. You know, I mean, when you first get into this trade, you might go, oh boy, this baby's going the wrong way. Oh no, what am I going to do? And you panic and you get out. That's just total psychological problems right there. Okay, you leave these things alone, and this is your stop. Everything's going fine. There's nothing to do here. You know, we never know exactly where it's going to stop, but this took hours of just bumping around doing nothing until it finally started going. And now you have, you know, the chance to move your stop. As Darko was pointing out in his latest PMA, move it from here up to here, and at least don't take a full loss on this anymore. You know, now you can start to cover these, and if we start to break onto new highs, you can move your stop under here and locks in some profit. You know, and just trade management's a bit different for everybody, but again, you could certainly take some profit here, and then use other trade management techniques after that. But this could become a big runner. We just don't know. Okay. So another great example of Darko's favorite pattern showing up at a good level that was identified way in advance. Okay, well, I really hope that you're at least starting to see the value in Darko's analysis and the strength of the swing break rotation setup. Okay, and actually, in case you missed it, there's a complete webinar on the swing break rotation that Darko did on April the 2nd, 2024, and I've posted several of these kind of trades since then. Okay, I'll put a link to it at the end of this video. So thanks so much for listening to our channel. Be sure to subscribe to get our latest videos. And in the meantime, I hope you all have a great weekend and trading week ahead. Take care.